Alright, we got a property here after about a month. It's been raining quite a bit up here. Looks like the ground's getting packed in pretty good. They dropped off another one of my containers. Took them 3 months to get 3 containers. Well, I got one. So, looks pretty good. Only problem, they dropped the container where it blocks my damn access to my other 2. A bunch of morons. You got the whole damn property, they drop containers over there. Oh, they gotta drop it right where I gotta work. So how in the hell am I supposed to get into there? So these are supposed to be good containers. Where's the light on? Where's the light? There's the light. Didn't help much though. So these are really hard to come by right now. So this is supposed to be wind and weather tight and shippable, I guess. Yeah, looks a lot better than the last one they sent me. Those other ones are all bent up and junk. Low grade, pay for max dollar. Does that truck got too much weight in it? Nah. Yeah. Plenty of room to load. Yeah, sure. What I got here? I got about 6 feet between the containers. Yeah. 4-foot door. Great planning there, huh? Yeah, great. Oh, that was the big side. This side's really close. Yeah, we got plenty of room in here to sneak in right through here. Yeah, sure thing, boss. Yeah, that's great. Great strategy there. Yeah, I like how they did that, right on the edge of the road here. Yeah, great planning. It looks like this is holding up pretty good. This is all fill. A little soft though. See, my feet are leaving marks in the ground. It'll pack in. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can swing the door here. Yeah, plenty of room. Yeah, great planning there. I think they're going to have to move that one. Yeah, it'd be hard for me to get a forklift behind there being on the soft dirt on the edge of the property where I can't get to it. So yeah, that's great. Yeah, wonderful. Oh well, way it goes. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, ground's holding up. Getting level out here. I could drive at 80 through this easy. I just got done driving off the freeway and yeah, might have been exceeding the speed limit slightly. Only a Camaro outran me. That's because I got stuck behind traffic. So, I wonder if my vehicles are still down here. Definitely looks pretty good. Yeah. It's in the 40s right now up here, and no snow here. Come down the mountain there was a little, but not here. It's going to be down to low to mid 30s tonight up here. Looks like that junkyard's still here. Didn't blow away in the wind. The wind was blowing coming down the hill. Probably 30 mile an hour, 40 at least. It's blowing my truck around even when I got 1,500 pounds of metal on the back of it. Yeah, looks like everything's still holding up good back here. There you go, Tatro's fleet. Fleet of junk. That ain't worth anything, is it? Nah, junk. There you go. Studebaker collection, I got 2 of them. Alright. Weed pile still growing. Yeah, I don't see any weather, no evidence of puddle anywhere. That means it's draining good, because it rained a lot. Oh, there's the wet spot right there, coming down the road. This is all pretty good. Yeah, so you got a little bit of mud right there. All this is held up pretty good. Yeah. Good drainage. Did a good job of leveling out the property. Ugh, excuse me. Yeah, look how the containers are all beat to hell. Yeah, Good condition, huh? Yeah, sure. Big repair panel, big repair patch in there. Look at these things, they're all beat to hell. These are supposed to be good containers. Yeah, sure they are. Yeah, look at that. Patches and holes. And, you gotta see on the roofs on these things, they are all beat up. They're all buckled up. Look like crap. Alright, there you go. Nice junk pile. Anybody recognize that truck from the videos? It's out in the driveway earlier. Alright, there's my mountain. I own that one. I own part of that one. Yeah, I own that one over there too. Oh, looks like the house blew down some more over there. Oh well. The way it goes. It blows up here. Alright, well I gotta unload a truck. It's getting dark. Temperature's dropping, just walking around I can feel it. Maybe you saw that in my videos too. More junk. Whew, getting cold up here. Gotta work. Alright, there you go. There's my update for Sunday. That's what I do on my day off. Haul junk. There's my frame. Anybody need a new Sportster frame? There you go. Brand new 81 Sportster frame. Among other junk. Alright, we're gonna unload. Talk to you tomorrow.